Hola. Come on, get in my video. Womp womp. Fishy, fishy. Fish! That's ugly. Look at this guy. Chad! This is a rare cat sighting. This is a rare cat sighting. What? Wow! Rescue the rain. I'm gonna rescue the rainforest. Ching. 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 Elefanto. Poco foto, elefanto. Wow. You can oversee. Are they real? Oh, this fish is sick, though. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Is that a clownfish? I'm trying to find. Hi, real fish. What else could I find? This. Where is he? This fish is fire. Wait a second. There's a toad gun. I like my sword face. I'm gonna find a big fish. Watch this. Oh my god. Look at that red snapper, bro. Woo! Ritual boy. There's a monster. Ooh. There he is. Let's throw stuff on the fish. Oh, shit. Oh. Oh, wait. Yeah. These fishes. Oh, shoot. Look at that big fish. You better give me 100 views. No, I would never. Oh! Dang, look at that. It's big. It's big. Oh, no! That's a big one. Yeah, yeah. There's another two. Okay, we have to find one more. Where's that orangutan that hangs? Where's that orangutan? Oh, last time. That orangutan. There's an orangutan. Okay, this is gonna be the. I hope you enjoyed, and I have one more thing to show you at our table. And this, look at that. Okay. What was it doing? Video. Bye.